folks, we have had a malfunction. Welsh's motor's just gone, believe it or not. Right then. Huh? I've never done this trail before. That's a sick little trail. I've never done that one before, boys.
No, you've never been on this one.
Right, hand up. Right there. Oh, I missed out the jump. Oh, I'll get back on it. one today, guys. Yep. Long one. Cheers, mate, thank you. Tired now. We're out, guys, getting it done. Another wet weekend on the bike, but what can you do? If it just stopped bloody raining, we'd be in. Yeah, could be a bit of sunshine. See you in a bit. There we go then, another new trail. Wet one today, folks. Onesie on, waterproof overshoes, waterproof gloves. But we're getting it done. Alright, lad.
Got a thing in there.
Oh. Come on then, you get back up front, let's get in the order. Let's not mess up the feng shui.
Go up.
Go on.
Don't think you can go wrong on it.
Oh. always just mess up, like the odd line. Huh? Yeah. Tight. Yeah, even the onesie's not been able to take that rain. My arms are wet. I think it's only going to be a one battery day today, but let's get this trail done. Alright boys, just gone down here. Where have he gone? Maybe he's gone left, I don't know. We'll go left out. Oh, it's feeling good today. It's just... Yeah man. Did you take the right split?
I took the left hand split.
Oh come on, the Bros motor for the win here, look. Turboed up, we're going to do the EP8 boys. Come on, let's have it! Right then folks, don't know where we are. Part of Cannock I've never been, with the boys. And we found some short loamers, so we're going to get into them. With Guy and Welsh. We're all a bit wet, but we're getting on with it. Come on guys, get off the couch, stop eating the Mackies, yeah? Get the bike out the garage and get some trails done. Come on then boys. Never done this trail before. Never been around this area. like this pine needle terrain. Fucking hell, we've got a few splits there. Oh, juicy! Bootylicious. The Argotol doing the business. Right, so guys just spent about £1,000 on these waterproof trainers, and they're not waterproof. They're not waterproof. He wants to get good, he don't want to get on the vlog, that's what it is. Yeah, he's quite a good looking bloke, Welsh, you know, don't be shy. Get that boat race on the vlog, mate. Way up there, me Javi. Yeah, another trail in the bank.
Another one you can get on the
I ain't got the speed. Oh, dead. Yeah. Oh, my foot. It's done my foot, that. Fucking just went like that up the face of it. Oh. Yeah, I'm alright. Mate, I was dead. This is why I was dead. Look, it chunked it there, look. Chunked it there. Oh! Took a bit of wood off it, I think. Fucking hell. Mate, that's why I fucking hate jumps in the wet. Oh.
You said at the top there, you said you jumped from that, they're a bit sketchy today because they're a bit squirrely when you pop them. So.
Bastard, my foot's killing, and then my bad foot, yeah.
Don't forget, you need to try, mate. Try.
Is my bike alright? That's
yeah, you've got grip on in your disc at your toes.
Let's have a look.
I think I cracked the there before.
Oh. It took a right hit, something did. Fucking stacked it. Oh, good. Got quite a big one. Oh, man. That's why I don't like jumping in the wet, because it's just lethal, isn't it?
It's come to that fucking hardlining station.
I know, I'm going to have to let the Atherstons down. I hit that, mate, and it just shot me left. following me? What's going on with my brakes? That ain't good, is it? Right then folks, we have had a malfunction, so my pads are knackered, like the spring is rubbing on the pad or something and it's knackered. So you hear that? It's like game over. Well, that's not the biggest news, that's an easy one to fix, because we've got some pads back at the van, but Welsh's motor's just gone, believe it or not, bless him. What a ball ache. Good old e-bikes, eh? And biking in general, I suppose. They're just part of the game, innit? What a ball ache. Come on, Mr. Shimano, what's going on with these motors?
Only had 12 now between us.
They've had 12 motors between them. So, well show Kingo and Guy. I think it's time to get on the bros or the Bosch. Mate, I thought it was bad with my disc pads, whatever they're called, but literally a second later, Welsh is like, my motor's dead. So, unbelievable. But that's biking, that's e-bikes, and biking in general, as we say. It's good for your fitness there, Welsh. You can, you know, good for the belly, mate. Bless you. Here he is, look, here he is. Oh, the motor's gone. Oh man, we've had a Hugey. The motor's gone. My discs are knackered. Pad, sorry. It's like the spring thing. It's had a bit of a malfunction. So, what a day. It was all going well, and then just the wheels fell off the wagon, literally. So, well, that's bikes. We love it. We'll see you on the next one. Bye.